Alright, g'day guys, how you going? It's Mark Barrett here. First up, a massive thanks for stopping by and checking out our brand new product 5 Minute Money Machines. Look, I'm certain you got a ton of emails to come and check this out, and I'm absolutely bloody pumped to show you what we got going on here, so let's just dive straight in, okay? So, 5 Minute Money Machines is essentially a method that Victoria and myself have been using for years on end now to basically create massive chunks of thousands of recurring income month after month after month that just helps us be able to rely on a consistent cash flow. Okay, obviously we're full-time marketers and we have a lot of different cash flow options, but recurring allows us to, to really dictate what we've got coming in and not start each month from zero. Okay, which is very, very important when you're building a business, when you know you've got reliable income coming in month after month after month. When you've only got to get the sale once, it definitely makes life a lot easier. Now, we created this method originally because we're not tech people, okay? We really used to struggle with the tech, and like I said, we've been doing this for years. And the honest truth with this method is we use it is literally just a copy and paste method. Now, it's called 5 Minute Money Machines. I know it sounds like bullshit, okay? But you'll see on the inside, you'll see me do it in 2 minutes whilst talking you through, okay? So, and the reason it's so fast is because you literally copy a link from here, paste it over there, press a couple of buttons, and you're done, okay? The whole method is literally going to take you 5 minutes whenever you want. Whenever you want to give yourself an increase of recurring cash, add to your recurring cash, month after month, take 5 minutes, use this system, and you'll find your income increase. And now it's not based off any gimmicks or crap. This has worked for us for years and will continue to work for a long time to come. Okay, so it's something that you can depend upon. It's something that you can use, especially if you're not a techie guy like us, or you struggle with anything. You don't need any tech, okay? You're going to need to go in and create two different accounts. Each will take you about 10 minutes, okay? Then, like we said, it's a copy and paste. Copy your affiliate link from there, paste it over there, bang, bang, away you go, okay? So if you're looking for something that is easy to do, can take you, is very quick to do. Look, let's face it, we're all busy people. I'm a father of 3 kids, wife, $1 million company. I know what it's like to be time poor, okay? And in this day and age with the internet, we could really use, methods that only take 5 minutes. I mean, why can it not take just 5 minutes with the tech that's going on these days to really explode your income, okay? Trust me, it can, and it's inside right here. So, look, if you've been looking for something that's guaranteed to work, doesn't have you starting from zero, chasing $7 commissions each and every sale, okay, and basically it's dependable, scalable, and easy enough for literally anyone to do, then this is for you. I highly invite you to jump in, hit the buy now button below because you'll love what you find inside, okay? But look, we also carry a no questions asked 30-day money back guarantee. So if you jump in and for whatever reason you're unhappy, okay, you don't like the training, you don't like what it is, you don't like anything, okay, simply just hit us up via a support email. Let us know you're unhappy and we'll refund your money, okay? If you're not happy, we simply do not want your money. So look, if you are in the market for, like I said, an easy, simple system that you can literally just copy and paste a link and have something to build on month after month after month and build your recurring income bigger and bigger and bigger. We're currently doing thousands per month with it, and are looking to scale it up as we move forward too. So trust me when I say we don't waste our time and efforts on methods that don't work, okay? So if it works for us, it can most definitely work for you. So I invite you to hit the buy now button below, jump in, check it out. I'm absolutely positive you're going to love what you find on the inside. Thanks for watching.